Can you believe it? The unique-looking machine before your eyes is the manufacturing device you once dreamt of owning as a child. Almost every kid finds it hard to resist the allure it brings. The small shop at the village entrance thrives and has become the gathering spot for all the village children who rush there whenever they have money in their pockets. Can you guess what machine this is? You got it right. This is an age-old, colorful candy-making machine. This machine is incredibly ancient, dating back to the 1870s, and after over a century of passing time, all of its components remain intact. One must admit that the craftsmanship of the past was truly exquisite. Today, Repair Maestro, nicknamed the Chemistry Prince, decides to restore this antique to its original condition. After 3 days and 3 nights of restoration by Repair Maestro, the final product can only be described as astonishing. It completely surpasses imagination. Next, let's together see how Repair Maestro accomplished the restoration. I believe the end result will undoubtedly exceed your expectations. At this point, this candy-making machine from over 100 years ago has been essentially restored. Repair Maestro has been working continuously for 8 hours to restore this machine, which has been quite a laborious effort. It's often said that showing a little love is an act of kindness. Not showing any is just doing what's expected. Since you've made it this far, I believe you certainly won't hesitate to offer a small, free token of appreciation. Your support is what keeps us creating continuously, and we are incredibly grateful for that. Does the final restoration result of this candy machine meet your expectations? If you have something to say, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. I will check and respond. For those who enjoy our content, remember to like and follow. See you in our next video.